So hey guys, welcome back today. Today we are going to talk about higher education and how can we do higher education in abroad, and especially Shivani madam, professor, and she studied her masters in German. So we are going to know about her journey, and let's we start. Admission process and
See, sorry,
which exam we have
I
to
would
do.
suggest कि अगर आपको समर इनटेक में जाना है, समर इनटेक जनरली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मार्च एंड अप्रैल, विंटर इनटेक स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अक्टूबर नवंबर. ओके, विच एवर इनटेक यू आर प्लानिंग उसके एग्जैक्ट 1 ईयर पहले से शुरू करो.
Okay.
आई वॉन्टेड टू गो इन समर इनटेक, तो मैंने मार्च से स्टार्ट किया. मार्च में यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर 2 एग्जाम्स. एक रहता है GRE, अनदर वन इज आइल्स फॉर जर्मनी. ठीक है, आइल्स इज अ इंग्लिश टेस्ट बेसिकली, रीडिंग, स्पीकिंग, राइटिंग एंड लिसनिंग.
What are the subjects? Only English.
English, only English. Reading, writing, speaking, listening. That's it.
Okay.
They test your English ability. Okay. And afterwards GRE में रहता है aptitude, maths, logical reasoning. That's it. Okay, ये रहता है GRE में. तो GRE not necessary for all the university. It's okay, like it's good if you do it. IELTS is compulsory.
Okay.
IELTS is compulsory. Without that, they will not take you. Okay. IELTS का preparation you can do by your own. GRE also you can do by your own only by watching. Multiple videos are available on YouTube. GRE के लिए I would suggest give 2 months का time. IELTS के लिए 1 month is sufficient. तो ये 3 months में you give both the exams. Okay. Result आने के बाद में as soon as you are done with your exams, start looking for the colleges, universities.
Okay.
सबका लिस्ट आ जाता है. दे विल गिव द लिस्ट कि अवर एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस टाइम टू दिस टाइम. तो जितनी भी पहले सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज का लिस्ट बनाओ, उनका डेडलाइंस उसके सामने लिखो. ओके, डेडलाइंस लिखने के बाद में व्हाट आर देयर प्री रिक्विजिट्स, व्हाट दे नीड, वो सबका एक लिस्ट बनाओ एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट.
Okay.
उसके बाद में देन यू हैव वंस देयर विंडो इज ओपन, यू नीड टू अगेन इमीडिएटली हैव टू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग. तो बस वो अप्लाई करते रहो. वॉट एवर सर्टिफिकेट्स यू आर हैविंग, दैट थिंग, योर मार्कशीट्स, your LORs are there, letter of recommendations are required, very important, so that everything you need to upload. Then after that this process will be done till September. Okay, I'm talking about summer intake. This process will go up to September. September के बाद में the colleges generally stop for summer intake.
Okay.
They will not, then they will start processing the applications. Then in 1 or 2 months you will get your application back.
Again.
Like whether you are selected or not.
Okay.
Once you are selected, then they will give you again 2 months ka time to deposit the money. You need to deposit the money. Like they want to know ki if you are coming to Germany, whether you can survive by your own, like that. So you have to show ki I am having money, like that. So that you have to show, that proof you need to again send it back.
Okay.
Then after you send that, 2 months, I guess 2 months भी नहीं, only 1 month का time they will give it to you. In that you have to open the bank account, deposit the money, then whichever documents they are asking, that also you have to submit. Then after that they will give you one, there is one form, I don't remember the name exactly. So that is your entry ticket basically. Okay, they will mail you one acceptance letter. Yes.
Okay.
Acceptance letter will be there. In that it will be written your name, that you have been accepted by this university, and the joining date for you is this date. You need to report by this. Once you get, then you can start booking your tickets, packing, shopping, everything. Accordingly you book your flight tickets and then tata bye bye.
And students think that after going Germany, they will become successful in life. Do you think
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं रहता. Like it completely depends upon you yourself itself. अगर तुम उधर जाके पढ़ोगे नहीं तो कैसे सक्सेसफुल होते हैं? एफर्ट यू हैव टू पुट द सेम ओनली. वहां पे इनफैक्ट आई वुड से कि इंडिया में फिर भी मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं. यू गो टू प्रोफेसर और टीचर, मैम प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, वहां पे नहीं चलता. वॉट एवर इट इज, दैट इज द एंड ऑफ द डिसीजन, दैट्स इट. you will not even know ki who is checking your paper.
Okay.
That also, who is setting the paper, who is checking the paper, no one will know that. So you go give the exam, you come back, you wait for result, whatever result is coming, that is the end.
Okay.
So I would say that is little bit tough than India. So this is not the case कि once you go there you will become successful. No, not like that.
And the one advice those who wants to go,
हाँ.
what would you say, ma'am?
I would say कि pursue your masters. Very important in these, like this time specifically. Okay, because the thing is you will complete your bachelor's in engineering or any other field. Okay, I would suggest first take experience of 1 or 2 years in IT or any other field, because that experience matters.
Okay.
That you will write in your resume. Your resume should be uplifting you. ओके उसको देख योर रेज्यूमे इफ आई एम सीइंग ऑन टू योर रेज्यूमे में वो लगना चाहिए कि हाँ आई कैन गिव दिस पर्सन एंट्री इन माई कॉलेज सम एक्स्ट्रा पर्सन देर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस गोइंग इनटू एवरी यूनिवर्सिटी एवरी इनटेक okay why you are different than others, that you have to start building your resume first before thinking to go to Germany. You have to build your resume. Okay, you need good scores in bachelor's first of all. Okay, your all the subjects should be clear. It's better if you are clearing it in one go.
Okay.
In one time only if you are clearing, it's very good. If not, don't stretch it for one or like more than 2 semesters. If you are having a back in one of the subject in first year, first semester, as soon as the papers are out, that semester itself you clear that paper.
Okay.
That is my suggestion, because that will be reflecting in your final mark sheet. That will be going to the Germany, whatever university you are applying to. So they should not see that. Okay, so it's better you clear all the subjects properly, and meanwhile do some certification. Start collecting the certificates.
Okay.
More and more certificates you are collecting, more like good your resume you are building. Okay, and then जितना अच्छा तुम्हारा resume रहेगा उतना अच्छा तुम्हारा चांस रहेगा कहीं पे भी जाने का. एंड उससे पहले 1-2 साल का कहीं पे भी इंटर्नशिप करो या जॉब करो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, पहले करो, एक्सपीरियंस लो, देन यू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग फॉर द जर्मनी और एनी अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज. That is my suggestion.
And madam, ante I mean, like in India, they will give many of the assignments, record.
वो उधर भी रहते हैं.
वहाँ पे.
Oh my God, yeah, I still remember. Like it depends. अगर 8 credit का subject है, तो every week 1 assignment will be there.
Okay.
I still remember one subject was I guess database only. Database was the subject name. Every Monday we need to upload the assignment.
Okay.
Every week we need to. So हम लोग Sunday बैठते थे, because if your assignment is not uploaded every week, then you will not be eligible to appear for the exam.
Okay.
वहाँ पे ज़्यादा strict है as compared to India में. They will ask you to submit assignment mid one only. Mid one के लिए एक assignment, mid 2 के लिए एक assignment.
Yes.
There for complete course every week you need assignment submission.
Due to that, do you think any?
नहीं अच्छा है, it's a good thing, because that time then every week you are studying something. You are studying, तो तुम्हारे को like during the final examination it will not be a burden for you.
Okay.
So according to that it is good. 4 credit subject में 2 weeks में एक assignment रहता था. It depends, 2 weeks, 3 weeks like that. But 8 credit subject में every week assignment will be there.
Presentations.
Presentation नहीं, there is one seminar 4 credits का.
Okay.
But it is completely your course में एक ही seminar रहेगा. Complete, like in 2 years, 3 years, whatever you are doing. तो उसमें एक seminar you have to do 4 credits का. That is also group seminar. 2-3 people का रहता है.
Okay. तो ऐसे
Yeah.
इंडिया में रहता है.
हाँ, same. Seminar में वही presentation, same thing.